The installation video for the floor embroidery stand has arrived. Open the PAY protective film and organize the pole numbers. Then start installing. The first step is to use dot numbers 3, 1, and 5. Corresponding accessories can be used to connect each other. All pipes that are fitted onto one end of the accessory have no plugs. Connect pole 3 and pole 1 with LS7. Unscrew this accessory before connecting. Put it on pole 1 and clamp it on pole 3. To confirm that the card is securely fastened, tighten it. It's probably this size. Then connect the fifth in the same way. Secure the upper and lower ends like this. Confirm that this accessory dot is fully engaged. You can tighten the screws now. The feet of the first embroidery stand have been installed. The second one is the same. LS7, LS3, Next, we will install the extension of No.1. Use pole 1, facing downwards with a white plug. Using LS11, loosen and insert it between two No.1 rods. Center position of accessories. Default upper and lower height of 8 cm. Then tighten it. Compare the installation of the second one in the same way. Then install the LS to 5 foot cover. Need to press hard. Next, install the connecting dot rod to between the 2 feet. It is more convenient to install after placing 1 foot down. Use one LS7 and pole 2. Install in this location. This foot is connected in this way. The other end also uses LS7. Then install another pole to an LS7. Installed approximately 0.15 cm from top to bottom. Next, install the fourth one above. It was installed using LS5. Attention should be paid to the direction of LS5 accessories here. Then connect the 2 ends with pole 4. Then we install pole 7 and connect it with LS8. Extend the rear end by about 12 cm. Note that LS8 and LS5 below are in a vertical state, then tighten it. The same goes for the left side. Next, install pole 6 using LS5. Loosen the fittings and place them on both ends of the pipe. Before installation, tighten the screw position below first. Then pull it up and fasten it onto the 7th pole, tightening it. The same goes for the left side. Then use your chair to test if the height of the embroidery dot frame is appropriate. If you need to change the height, you can loosen these two screws to adjust the height. Install LS5 accessories on both ends. Strive for a more aesthetically pleasing vertical orientation as much as possible. Then tighten the upper and lower screws. The same goes for the right side. Finally, the installation of LS52 is completed. The installation is now complete. If you have installed the embroidery frame, you can put it directly on top. Finally, check if all screws are tightened.